100 full video tracks and create compositing effects. You can now apply filters, transitions, and other effects to any track. Spend less time waiting with high-speed import and export. You can now choose from 3 different track sizes: small, normal, or big. Edit audio cues with more precision with visible audio waveforms. We've added audio keyframes so you can adjust the volume of any audio clip within the timeline and make multiple adjustments within one clip. Start projects in a Mac or PC version of Filmora 9 and continue working on them in either operating systems. Reduce the resolution of your video preview for a smooth editing experience without affecting the quality of your exported videos. And these are just some of the features that we've added. So if you want to download Filmora 9, you can do so for free at filmora.wondershare.com. And let us know what you think of our latest update. And stay tuned on our channel because we'll be releasing more video editing tips and tricks using Filmora 9.